The cookie we're going to do today is the beach ball cookie, and I'm showing this to you in real time. I'm using my scribe to draw the template of what I want the beach ball to be. So first is I need that little circle in the middle, and then I'm gonna draw, I believe, 5 lines. This is the same struggle I had while I was filming this video, because we need 6 sections. So 5 lines sounds right. It's really hard to see them. I thought that would make it really hard to decorate this cookie, but in person, it's not quite as difficult to see all of the lines. And frankly, if the lines are a little fudgy, that's okay. So once you have all of your lines, I do like to wipe off the cookie. I did not here, and I wish I did. You're gonna come in with your blue. Now you can choose to do light blue or dark blue here. Really doesn't matter. And you're gonna make that circle, that initial circle we started with the scribe, and then you're gonna fill in every other section. And I'm just outlining it and then filling it in. And I'm gonna come back with my scribe at the end and make sure everything's leveling out. And I'm just gonna keep repeating that step. This cookie, I recommend starting with doing all your blue outlines and then going and doing the rest of your cookies and then coming back to it. Can you do the white and the blue at the same time? You absolutely can. I just think it looks a little bit more dimensional when you come in and let it dry a little bit and form some edges before you go back in with the white. Kind of like how a beach ball looks, right? So I'm almost done. Come in with my scribe here, and I'm just gonna make sure that everything's filling in, that it's level. It actually leveled out really nicely on its own. That's why we like this consistency. See, I let it dry. It's a little duller. I'm coming back with this white, and I'm just, again, outlining and then filling in. Now, if you wanted to stop and use your scribe each of these times, you 100% can. I just didn't find it necessary. Now we're gonna leave this little dot in the middle to last. Again, we wanna let this cookie just dry as much as possible. I was very impatient. I did not wanna let it dry after the white. I was like, I am done decorating cookies today. Let's move on with my life. Now the dot in the middle, you can decide to use the same blue, the different color blue, or the white. My favorite design was doing the white dot in the middle, and that's what I do here. Yep, that's what I do here. And I just really heavy-handed piped that in.